Umbeki uthi ugqemeke engeqwantwala ngokushona kaMboweni njengoba engakaze ezwe ukuthi ubambekile ngokwempilo.
That Tito was young at 65, and there had been no report. I never received any report that he was unwell. So the news that he had passed away, it really came as a big shock and very, in a sense, destabilizing. Because he's an important person for us.
Mboweni wabamba iqhaza ekwakheni imigomo ye-ANC ngesikhathi ithatha izintambo ukuhola uhulumeni wentando yabantu.
The document Ready to Govern and the document Reconstruction and Development Program. They were very important policy documents. Actually, even if you look at them today, they remain very important policy documents as to what needs to be done.
Umbeki uthi uMboweni wayengenalo ulwazi ngokusebenza kwebhange lombuso ngesikhathi eqokwa njengephini lomphathi webhange lombuso ngonyaka u1998, kodwa wanika lesikhundla ukwenzela ukuthi makuphela unyaka athathe izintambo njengomphathi walo ngoba wayengesabi ukuthatha izinqumo ezibucayi nokubhekana ngqo nezinselele ahlangabezana nazo.
The best person to put there who would not be afraid of any risks that had to be taken, any challenges to be met, that he was the kind of person who would fit that kind of role. So that's why we took him out of the Ministry of Labour into the central banking.
Mboweni uhlonishwe ngomngcwabo osezingeni lombuso kanti uzofihlwa eLimpopo ngomgqibelo.